Genes are not the measurement of evolution. And all of a sudden we have to take another look and say, but what is evolution based on if it's not based on the genes? Well, Watson and Crick were the ones that came up finally with this double helix and understanding the nature of the genetic code that codes for proteins. And what Crick started to recognize is information flows in a one-way direction. It starts with DNA, the blueprints, turned into RNA, which is like a Xerox copy of the gene, and the RNA copy is actually used to program the creation of the proteins. That information only flows in one direction, from DNA to RNA to protein. Now, this is a very important conclusion for this reason. I say, what does it mean? The information only flows in one way. And I go, yes. I say, who are we? Oh, we are the protein organisms. I go, then the significance is what? Well, DNA, RNA, protein, flow of information. Protein cannot go back and influence the DNA. Information only goes one way. So as protein organisms, we have no influence in our genetic activity. The genes are in control and information flows downward. Well, this leads us to an understanding that science offered called genetic determinism, the belief that genes determine the character of your life. When you go back to the central dogma, then you recognize genes determine the character of your life and you have no influence over it. That's why we become victims of our heredity. There's an important thing to understand here, and that is this. We kept saying that genes turn on and off, but the fact is this. A gene is a blueprint to make a protein, and that's exactly what it is. And I say, why is it relevant?